Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's Kitchen. Today I'll be sharing a very healthy recipe with you, and that is Jwari Chi Bhakri. It is also known as Jowar Ki Roti. So before I tell you about it, let's see the ingredients. The ingredients are just simple like my other recipes. I've just taken 1 cup of water and 1 cup of jowar flour. Now this 1 cup of water, I will let it boil. Now this method I'm showing you is a little different from our regular bhakris that we prepare. It is called ukdi chi bhakri. Ukad means steam, or like ukdi che modak we say in Marathi, similar system. So this method is different. Now the water is boiling. You can see I've added that 1 cup of jowari flour into it. I'll just give it a stir and put off the flame. Now I will not mix flour and water at this stage. I'll just cover it and let it and keep it for some 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, now the time is up. I'll just check with it. There you can see the flour and the water has to be mixed thoroughly. We'll have to knead this like you do for any other roti or bhakri, but as it is hot, I'm using a spatula. Okay, see that no lumps are formed, and the water and the jowari flour should be mixed thoroughly. When the temperatures come down, I will knead it with my hand. See, I've mixed the jowari and the water. Now I will place it in a broad thali so that it is easy to knead the dough. I have shared bhakri recipes with you, but today's method is little different from the regular bhakris that I prepare. Now today's method is called as ukdi chi bhakri. Like you can say ukdi che modak. Fine, that is steaming the flour and then kneading it the similar way. Now here you can see the dough is hot, so I've kept a water bowl there and dipped my fingers in the water so that dough does not stick to my hand. Now here you can see our dough is nice and ready. It good smooth dough I've got. I'll cover this for 5 minutes. Let it rest before we start preparing our bhakris. Now the dough I'll prepare, I need 6 bhakris, so I will make 6 flour balls from this dough. Smoothen it out and start with our bhakris. But today I will show you 2 methods of preparing this bhakri. One is by rolling it, and the other one is how we usually do bhakris, tapping it with our fingers. So let's see. Now you all know that jowari is gluten free and it contains a good amount of fiber, so you should use it in your daily diet. Now here you check out how I'm doing. I've taken each ball like this and I will knead it again separately, so till it gets a nice smooth and kneadable dough comes to. This is, do not avoid this step. You must knead each and every ball. Okay. Now the first method I'm showing you is tapping the dough with your fingers. So you can see I've taken enough flour below, and then here I'm tapping the dough and rotating it at the same time. Okay. Now we can do big bhakris, whatever size you want, but I love my bhakris to have this mini size. It's easy to prepare, and for eating even I like small puffed up bhakris. Now there I've kept it on a hot tawa. I will apply little water so that the flour cooks. Now You have to wait for the water to evaporate before you turn it. You just follow the methods like I'm doing it, and you are going to get yummy bhakris like you see here. Okay, so now I will lift the bhakri and place it directly on the fire. Wow, you can see how the bhakri is puffed up. So this was the first method of getting a yummy puffed up bhakri. Now the second method. In the second method, I will be using the rolling pin here. That's the only difference. Now you see again I am kneading the single ball to get a smooth dough, and I will be rolling it with my rolling pin. Fine. Now as you all know, this the jwari contains good amount of fiber, so it is good to include it in your daily meals. Plus it is gluten free. It also boosts your immunity, which is a present day requirement. You all have to take care of your immunity. And it is rich source of protein. What more do you want? It controls blood sugar level also. Now jwari helps in digestion. It prevents problems like gas, constipation and diarrhea. So I have shifted my daily food intake of wheat chapati fulkas. I was making wheat fulkas. I have started preparing jwari bhakri, and they're very easy to prepare. Just see with the rolling pin even I get the same puff bhakris. And I had shared with you jwari upma, which you cannot have every day. Hence everyday roti. See how soft they are. There are 3 rotis I have done with my tapping my fingers on it, and the other 3 I have rolled it. So whatever is convenient for you, you should go for it. I'm packing the rotis in a napkin and a kitchen napkin and keeping it in a casserole. The easiest way to incorporate jowar in your daily diet is through rotis. Stay healthy and eat healthy. Please take care of yourselves. Bye friends. Thank you.